Meaning of fusillade.
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 Fusillade. Fusillade is a noun that refers to a rapid and continuous firing of weapons, such as guns or rifles. It typically implies a barrage of gunfire aimed at a single target or in a specific direction. Fusillades can be heard during armed conflicts, military training exercises, or in criminal activities such as shootings. The term fusillade connotes a sense of intensity, chaos, and danger, evoking images of bullets whizzing through the air and explosions reverberating in the distance. The aftermath of a fusillade can result in significant damage, injury, or loss of life.